They are called payday loans, car title loans, cash advance, or installment loans.
But no matter the name, advocates warn the danger's the same, a financial crater from which many consumers cannot dig themselves out. Investigative reporter Jeremy Rogowski with how high interest loans banned in some states are legal in Texas.
She's college educated and employed as a computer coding instructor for kids. But when unexpected car repair bills came along, this single mom of 3 couldn't pay the rent.
I was desperate. I needed money. I didn't want to get kicked out. I didn't want to get evicted, and I didn't know what I was doing either.
She Googled quick loans with hopes of getting short-term cash to get her over the hump. 3 companies, Credit Ninja, Speedy Cash, and Next Loan, offered her money, but with interest rates of $447, $680, and a whopping 767%.
Shock.
Elise Canali is her boss.
It's just not right.
She would get her paycheck, and she would tell you what?
It's gone.
And you were like,
What do you mean it's gone?
The $2,600 in loans would take more than $13,000 to pay back over 2 years.
how can this be legal?
It's a question I get asked all the time.
Ann Bedour works on consumer protection issues for Texas Appleseed and the Texas Fair Lending Alliance.
People think, don't we have rate caps? Don't we have usury laws? But these businesses have kind of seeped through a crack in the system.
Here's how that crack works. Under Texas law, banks cannot charge more than 10% interest. But so-called payday lenders aren't actually lenders. They're brokers known as credit access businesses who arrange the loans, and there is no cap on the fees they charge.
And because Texas has extremely lax laws, on the face of it, nothing they're doing breaks the law here.
Elsewhere, the exorbitant interest rates are banned. 16 other states and Washington, D.C. have prohibited high-cost short-term loans. But in Austin, efforts to rein in so-called predatory loans have repeatedly failed, leaving Texans to protect themselves.
I didn't read the terms and conditions, and then, boom, it hit. I just realized I just dug myself into a hole that I don't know how I'm gonna get out of.
Now, we reached out to all 3 companies. Only Credit Ninja replied, saying in part it's received a rating of excellent by online customer reviews. It offers a 10-day cancellation policy in Texas and also offers repayment assistance in hardship cases. The group Online Lenders Alliance also told us lenders are required to clearly disclose the terms, costs, and conditions of every loan, and Credit Ninja follows all applicable laws and best practices. The Alliance said credit access businesses assist people who otherwise might be turned away from traditional banks. Jeremy Rogowski, KHOU 11 Investigates.